Chickens are going crazy trying to get through this fence.
They like destroying the garlic, so I can't say I'm surprised that they want to destroy this too.
Yeah, they pretty much destroyed my garlic. But so they're trying to get in because they saw us sprinkling all of this goodness here.
That's one way to put it.
Yep. It'll be goodness when all these seeds germinate and come up. So we got, let's see, 1, 2, 3 beds done with our seeds. And then we already have planted some stuff in here. What we did with these beds is we decided to do the no-till method. So we put down, Isaac and I put down some weed barrier here, and then we put rows of cardboard.
Oh. You and really wanted to start it.
I don't know if you can hear him, but the rooster is yelling at us.
Get your drumsticks out of here.
And then we put compost on top of that, and then we bought these sprinklers, hose sprinklers, and lined the whole area with them. And you can see here we have some cabbage planted, and then further down at the end we have some bok choy and some tomatoes, and in this one here we're going to put some cucumber. So we're going to put some trellises up this weekend.
Look at you getting fancy.
Yeah, we're going to have really good eats. And so I have some broccoli that we're going to still put in the ground too. So.
And you ruined it.
And you don't like the broccoli?
No.
So we do have one more bowl of sand we need to spread out, so we will find a bed to put that in. I think maybe the end of this bed here we could put some in.
Okay.
And that will be herbs. And It's about to start raining, so we're going to get that done.
Yep.
All right, so Isaac and I are out here in the workshop, and this is what we're going to do. We have a couple bowls here. We're going to put some sand in them, and then we're going to take some seeds and mix them in there and sprinkle them out into the garden, and hopefully get a beautiful bouquet of everything from lettuce to oregano that we can pick from this season. So here we go.
Yeah.
So we're just using regular coarse sand or play sand. I'm going to put a couple of cups into each bowl. And then we'll put some seeds in there, and we'll take them out to our garden beds and just sprinkle them and have...
How many? Just 2?
Nope, just 2. That's good, yep. So now we're going to mix our seeds in there, and then we'll go out to the garden beds. We'll meet you out there. Okay, so in this bowl we're going to put lettuce seeds and thyme and oregano and a bunch of herbs, basically. In this bowl over here, we already put in marigold seeds, zinnias, calendula, and chives.
Who comes up with these names?
I don't know, honey. All right, so we're going to finish mixing these up and go out to the garden bed. Okay, so Isaac is just taking it and he's just sprinkling it, kind of like you would sprinkle out seeds for the grass. And the sand shows us where it's been sprinkled, so it makes it easy not to, dump a whole bunch of seeds in one spot. And here come the chickens because they think he's feeding them. But they can't get through the fence.
That means they can't eat the seeds.
Yeah. So we're going to go through and we're going to sprinkle these everywhere, and then...
we'll get back to you.
Yeah. And then we're going to put some worm castings down. I'm waiting for them to come. They haven't been delivered yet. They'll be here today. And we'll put those down. And then we'll put a little light layer of straw for moisture. And we'll water them. You can see our watering sprinkler right in the middle there. And hopefully we'll have a beautiful lush garden.